At this time, we bring back our Opio. We bring you to this island Oahu. We talk about the beautiful Ko'olau that you can definitely see on the windward side. The Ko'olau that is already a beautiful scene of green, majestic mountains, but more beautiful, I would say, and just breathtaking, especially when it rains. Anyone knows when it rains and it has heavy rain, and after it clears, you see the beautiful waterfalls, the Wailele after. Enjoy. Aloha Ko'olau.
Aloha kanohona o ke ko'olau. Uli aku na ana I ke kuahiwi. Aloha kanohona o ke ko'olau. Uli aku na ana I ke kuahiwi. Ina I ka nukua o nuanu. No e kaua mai ka ili. Ka lea ka noe ma mua pono. Ahenani, ahenani ke I ke ahu. Iolo I ka wailele I nā hali. Ho'opulu I nā hali hauli uli. Haina e ka ua o ke kolau. Ho'opulu ana I ku papalina. Haina e ka ua o ke kolau. Ho'opulu ana I ku papalina.
Mahalo. Aloha Ko'olau.